Strategic landing. We must land in places where the Holy Spirit has prepared the hearts of the people to receive the message of Jesus. When Paul and Silas reached Philippi, they went to a place of prayer near the river where they met Lydia. So, there could be a lot of place in Philippi, right? That they could just land. But Paul and Silas were there intentionally. And the Holy Spirit told them, land here strategically. Because here the hearts are open, the hearts are ready, the soils are ready. I would like to share to you, ladies, that there will be intentional time. Your time is very valuable because there is a proper timing to everyone's heart. Just letting you know, you cannot force whenever you're sharing, whenever you're sharing,